Yeah.
Hi, this is Bruce, New America Construction. This is the garage of the home, and same thing here. We're going to remove all of the existing siding. The garage is already insulated.
Some type of architectural art like this. See, so much can be done with vinyl siding. You just need the right. Here we are with the installation of vinyl cedar shake siding. As you notice, everything has to be.
Shakes this level and it's secure. Make the window. Fasten it. These windows come with solid screws.
I'm here with Andy and Mary Beth Thompson in Glen Rock, New Jersey. We just finished installing All Sides Prodigy siding. And guys, what can you say about the installation? How do you like New America Construction service?
Strip by placing the nails about every 16 inches, centered on the slot. Make sure